You are going to love the 2019 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, navigation system, heads-up display, low tire pressure warning. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.